Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete TikTok shop account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, all you gotta do is simply log in into your TikTok shop seller center. So simply visit your TikTok shop seller center and enter your seller credentials to access your dashboard. Once you have done this, you need to now navigate to the account settings by clicking on My Account. Or you can also click on gear icon and select the settings from the drop down menu bar. Once you do this, you need to now access the account or profile section. You can simply find this in your settings, and after doing this, you need to initiate your account deletion. Simply scroll down to find the option called delete account or close shop account option and click on this option. If you don't find this option, then you can simply unlink your official account from it, and you need to simply confirm that you want to unlink your account. And once you have unlinked your shop from your TikTok, you can simply delete it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.